Okay. Worldfamousfoodz Garden update. Got some bad news today. Our tomatoes didn't make it. I guess there was too much rain, too much water. But we still got our fennel. We're gonna have to cut these. Still got our celery going. We got some kohlrabi still going. More celery. Strawberries, I'm gonna have to trim those. Sweet potato is going just fine. More kohlrabi. Got some lettuce under there. See here? Lettuce. Rosemary's still going. Hot peppers are still going. The good news is that we got our squash. See down there? Coming out the side. More hot peppers. Here's our squash down there. Watch out there. Bell peppers are still going. Now that finally turning red, let's look under here. See that? And we got our cucumbers on this side. Really good. Sitting down there. Okay, there you have it. Worldfamousfoodz Garden update.